What's up, YouTubers? Up on the roof again. Looks like it might rain again. You can see in the skyline more over there, you can hear the thunder. Probably not from the camera, but it's that time of day when the thunder comes out. Anyways, today we had quite the bloodbath in crypto markets and in technology. And there's some people working on the roof over there. Probably can't see that. I need a better camera, but anyways, it's a bad day in the markets. The pound yen really crushed, or really tanked. Pound, or the US dollar, Japanese yen. I was lucky I was shorting those things today, so I did okay. But towards the end of the day, we started to see the dollar rally, so this might be the beginning of some kind of dollar rally. I'm not really sure. We'll have to wait and see. But I think I saw Bitcoin hit a low of like 30,000 today. As I make this video, Bitcoin's at 38,000 per coin. And all the other cryptocurrencies, well, not all, but many got crushed. There's over 10,000 of the suckers, so I have no idea what all of them did, but many of them got crushed today. Many were down 20-30%. I'm not a Dogecoin dude, but I saw that thing. It went in the tank, and then from the lows it rallied like 90%. So people who bought at the bottom are almost up to double. Anyways, as usual, most of the exchanges you couldn't buy anyways unless you had a limit order in, and some of the exchanges don't allow that, at least if you're an American. But anyways, almost everything got crushed in the markets today. Looks to me things are kind of starting to bottom out, like in shares. Like the oil shares got crushed. Tech shares didn't get crushed as bad, but oil shares got crushed pretty bad. In fact, when I was watching the markets today, I was surprised to see gold was up. I don't know if it was up the whole day because I wasn't watching it the whole day, but at the time I looked at it, it was up 1%. Anyways, I think we're in an inflationary type stagflation period, at least in North America. I didn't mention that in my previous videos, but the United States printed a 4.2% inflation number this last time around. That's annualized. I don't know if it'll keep going up. But here in Central America and in Mexico, prices are going up. Now, I'm not going to claim they're going up a lot, and it depends where you're at, and it depends what you're talking about, but here, they're ticking up a couple, 2-3 quetzales for a lot of stuff, but coming from a low base, that's like 10 to 20%, which is kind of shocking. But again, like in actual amounts, it's not that much, but when you look at how low the prices are, stuff going up 10-20% is quite a bit, actually. But I think we're going to be in some kind of stagflation situation now. And in the stagflation, it wouldn't really surprise me to see really, really volatile markets until the Fed decides what they're going to do or is more decisive. So far, the Fed's been kind of dovish. They're saying they're going to just let the dollar depreciate. Today, I heard they were making some remarks like that they're not going to do that, but... Oh, there's a hummingbird. Damn. I just saw a nice hummingbird. I wish I could have got that on the camera. It was a nice-looking hummingbird. Anyhow, up at my folks' house in Phoenix, they have hummingbirds. Anyways, I digress. Even up in northern Minnesota, they have nice hummingbirds. Anyways, the Fed was making some noise like they're going to not let the dollar get crushed. I don't know. I'm betting that the dollar is probably going to get crushed. Maybe not today or tomorrow. I'm guessing this is going to be the beginning of a bear market rally in the dollar. The dollar's going to rally for a while, and then it's just going to trend back down. I don't know. I mean, I can't predict the future. I don't know what's going to happen, but it appears to me capital is rotating out of Bitcoin and tech shares, and it's rotating into commodities like gold, silver, and agricultural commodities, just commodities in general. And this could be the beginning of a 1 or 2 year bull market, and those things, or may not. I don't know. I really don't know, because we live in such unprecedented times where governments are printing like mad. And then every 5 minutes they keep saying they're going to open the economy and then close the economy and then open the economy. So there's so much volatility right now. It's hard to do any planning, especially if you're going to like try to run your own money. Basically, I'm just looking at technical analysis, which I understand isn't the best tool to like look at things long term, but today the markets just were crushed. One of my tech shares was up 10% and everything else was down. I don't know why that was, but is this a signal of prices kind of leveling out and going to go back and going back? I'm not sure. I think we're going to be trending low or at least stabilizing and possibly retesting the lows of Bitcoin, which was 30,000 this time around. It'll be interesting to see what happens. Anyways, here's some views of kind of Shayla where I'm at right now. I don't know if you can hear that. There's some young man praising. Anyways, I think it's going to rain pretty soon, so I'm going to go back downstairs and finish up my dinner. Anyways, like, share, leave a comment. Tell me what you think as far as all this volatility. I don't know what's going on, but I think we're going to see a lot more volatility both up and down, and it's going to be an interesting ride over the next year or so.